afternoon. I'm Chief Meteorologist Sabrina. Fine. Temperatures are climbing and they're already toasty. 73 degrees currently into El Cajon, Mira Mesa at 72. Coming up, we'll talk about just how long the warm streak will last. You're watching City, warmer than where we were just 24 hours ago, and that pattern looks to stay with us for the next 2 days. Now, not too bad, only sitting at about 6, but your dew point's fairly low, so you need that lotion along with you. Temps tomorrow are going to, in fact, continue to climb. It's all because of high pressure. That's my best friend. You see, when it's over toward the Great Basin, it has clockwise flow. So we end up getting all of our wind coming in out of the east. That's going to warm things up as it compresses, as it rolls through the mountains. It also increases those wind speeds, thus the wind advisory. I think temperatures are forecast to be about seasonal to 5 to 10 degrees warmer than normal for us Tuesday and Wednesday. Not lasting long. You can see already a spew of clouds coming on in through Mexico. That's our next storm system forecasting to bring rain for us as we head through about Thursday. Temperature-wise, though, tonight at around 6 o'clock, the upper 50s for the coast, low 60s for inland areas. Clear skies tonight, but because it's been so warm, I don't think we're going to get so chilly as what we were yesterday. So instead of the 30s, going for the 40s into Lakeside and El Cajon, the coast, instead of the low 40s, you're going for the upper 40s. That's seasonal for us. Now here's the smile on your face forecast. Once you get to the afternoon at 12 o'clock, 75 in Lakeside, Del Mar about 72, and I think the coast could actually be about 3 degrees warmer. We continue with the heat on into Wednesday, not as toasty, but still close to seasonal, slightly above average at about 75 in El Cajon and 73 on into Chula Vista. Coming up, we talk more about the high winds rolling through the area. Phil?
Thanks, Sabrina. I like your...
As we started out the morning, there's also continuing to be a wind as our issue. So high wind or wind advisory is up for the valleys as well as the mountain communities until tomorrow at 10 a.m. You can see winds occasionally gusting 40 to 60 miles per hour. Right now, those highest winds found out over toward Alpine around 30, Pine Valley at about 36. Now, once we get to 6 o'clock, you continue to watch the coast and inland areas around Poway all the way through Del Mar. Not too bad, right? The highest winds stay right along the foothills or at least along the west-facing mountains. By tomorrow at noon, dramatic change. The wind advisory is gone, still looking pretty mellow. And then as we head through Thursday, noticing the breeze continuing to build back, and with that, higher temperatures as well. Coming up, we take a look at your 7-day forecast. Guys? Sabrina, than where we were last night. You can already see the temperature jump about 7 degrees warmer in Encinitas, Mira Mesa, and La Mesa. You're both around 12 degrees warmer, and these values continuing to climb. The next 2 days, we will watch our temps staying above normal. It's going to be another storm system on down by Thursday. That'll bring a chance of rain and that cold air back to the region. Right now, though, as you enjoy the warm air mass, we're at 72 in Mira Mesa. Lakeside, you're at 71 in Chula Vista. Good afternoon. Sitting at about 67 degrees for you. Broad look what's happening across the country. A little bit of rainfall coming down throughout the southeast, but the real focus continues to be what's happening across the Pacific Northwest. This storm system, by the way, not in our forecast. Nonetheless, if you are traveling, especially since it is the holiday week, winter storm warnings are up in the shading in pink. That includes parts of Washington as well as Idaho, even into Montana. You can see snow in the valleys about 4 to 13 inches, but the mountains could top out at 20 inches of snowfall. So looks like Sun Valley may be the place to be to do a little bit of skiing. Winter weather advisories, the area shaded in purple, they could be dealing with some snow around 3 to 7 inches, but gusting closer to around 55 miles per hour. Back here at home, obviously, we don't have a lot of that winter weather. Instead, we have very warm temperatures. So if you are still going to do a little bit of surfing, Port of Fair conditions for you tomorrow. Not that great. 2 to 3 footers. High tide coming in around 2:12 in the afternoon. 7-day forecast, 75 degrees tomorrow. A little bit more cloud coverage on Wednesday at 74. But those values are about 10 degrees warmer than normal. Here comes Thursday. Our storm system will produce, looking at 73. Let's look at your 7-day forecast. Phil, over to you.
Thanks, Sabrina.